boiling. We're cooking Bolonara. Bolonara. Combination of carbonara and bolognese. Four rashers of bacon. Go put the pan on. So, 4 rashers of bacon. That was 2 huge cloves, so probably 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. Garlic in. Get that cooked off a bit. Don't burn the garlic, then it'll be bitter. You just want a tiny bit of colour on the bacon and the garlic. That's very fragrant. That's nearly done. Right, that's it. Pour it out. It's pan hot. Oh, there's a bit of bacon in there. Get that pan nice and hot, because we're going to put 500 grams of mince in. We want to get a little bit of a sear on the mince. Give it that flavour. Mince in. This is just beef mince. You can use whatever mince you want, as long as it's beef. Spread it out a bit, chop it up, and let it get a bit of a sear. From here, it's not going to take long. Alright, then start scraping off the bottom, starting to get a nice brown sear on it. Chop it up, flip it over, flip it around. Chop it up, make sure there's no huge chunks. Let it cook again for another bit. We're almost completely brown. Now when your mince is almost all completely brown, if it's not the greatest quality mince, you'll notice it releases a lot of liquid. That can be juices, it could be water. Sometimes you'll find it does it, sometimes not so much. This is almost done. It's not releasing massive amounts. Some people like to leave that in for flavour. I think it tends to give a bit of a fatty taste, so I tend to drain it off a little bit, which I'm about to do now. Right, I've drained about 3/4 of it off. So now I've just got mince. In with my bacon and the garlic. Give that a mix around. Right, now that's quick. Tin of tomatoes diced in. Tin of tomato soup, condensed tomato soup. Big red. In barbecue sauce. About 1/3 of a cup. Stir. Now we're going to let that cook off, probably for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to put about 300 ml of thickened cream in it and cook it for another half an hour, and that's it.